Okay, so here's how to make a druggist fold. You got it, just a regular old piece of paper, 8.5 by 11. And the first thing you want to do is seal it on both sides. So we're gonna try to fold this in thirds. And I do this all the time, every semester, and I'm not the best at getting everything even. As you can see, I don't have some overlap there. But you're gonna fold it, I guess, maybe you call this hot dog style. So you're gonna fold it over like this, and now the piece of paper is sealed on the right hand side and the left hand side, so no trace evidence can escape the sides. Now we have to seal the top and the bottom, and this is where it's going to be like kind of origami-ish. We're going to take the top right corner, and this whole top right edge, we're going to fold it down to the left so that the top edge is going to be against the left hand side of the piece of paper. So we make a triangle like that. Then we're going to take the top left corner and bring it down to here. So now this left edge is going to be folded down right on top of the right edge that we just folded down. So we make a triangle. So I'm going to undo this and then redo it again. So you're going to take the top right corner, fold it down so you make a triangle, and then the top left corner, fold it down to the right, make another triangle. So now the top is sealed. Now no trace evidence, fingernail scrapings or hairs or fibers or what have you, none of this unknown white powder, nothing can escape the top. Now the only thing we have to do is seal off the bottom. So this is the tricky part. You're going to take this triangle at the top, this tab, and you're going to bring it up and over, and you're going to stuff it into the opening that you see here at the bottom. So you're going to bring that opening and the tab, and so open it kind of up like this, and the tab together. Put the tab inside that opening. I don't know how well you can see that I'm doing that there. So here's the triangle tab. We're putting that in the opening. And then you don't have to stuff it in very far. You just have to kind of finagle it in a little bit. And then really what I do is I just smash it down. So as long as that tab is somehow stuffed in, and you can mess around with it and get it, I stuffed it in a little bit more just then, but as long as you get it like this, now it's sealed on the sides and the top and the bottom, and then we need to put our label on this. So we're going to put the date, the time, your name, and then whatever evidence you found inside. I saw a hair like flying around when I was making this druggist fold. I should have probably packaged it inside. So what you're going to do once you make the druggist fold, you unfold it here. You're going to put whatever evidence you found. Here's that hair. Whatever evidence you found here, for instance, a hair, you're going to package it in there. Now we're going to refold it, stuff it in. Now that hair can't escape. We're going to take it back to the crime lab.